Alright y'all, I use Rust-Oleum automotive primer. I did about 3 to 4 coats. And this is how it came out. Alright, now we're going to use Dippy Color Perfect Match. I used this on the old car, the 7 Gen I had. Paint came out great. I give it a 9 out of 10. For doing it yourself, it's not bad. So that's what we're going to do next. Add this about 3 to 4 coats. That should do the job. Then we got clear. Same brand, clear too. So. Alright y'all, just did the first coat. I don't know if you can tell, but there's pearl definitely in the paint now. But I see it. I don't know if you can see that. Alright y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and put the lip on the car now. It's all dry now. I'm gonna throw it on the car. Alright y'all, go ahead and put these on the lip. That should be going on the car. Alright y'all, got the lip on the car. Pretty good to me.